What's good, internets? It's your boy Drew Starks here, back with another video for you guys, and today I have another outlet pickup for you. These were a super GR that came out a week or two ago. Don't really remember the release date, but I was walking through my outlets, kind of wandering aimlessly, saw these up at the register and decided, like, why not pick these up? So let's show you what I got. So as you can tell from the box, it is an Air Jordan 1. If you know your release schedules, you already know what I picked up. Toss that over that way. It is the Hyper Royal, I believe is what it's called, or the Game Royal Air Jordan 1s, factory laced. So they had a bunch of sizes of these at the outlet that I actually went to. They had a 7, a 9, a 10.5, a 11, a 12, a 15. It was crazy. So either a bunch of people bought them, couldn't sell them, and then returned them, or you had one big bulk buyer who bought a bunch of them thinking he could sell them for, $50, $100 more, and then ended up just dropping all of his inventory off at the outlets and saying, F it, I'm not gonna try. But in my opinion, these are gonna go up crazy in value in the next couple of months. GRs, in my opinion, are some of the most slept on shoes. Of course, I don't think that's really my opinion though, but they are extremely slept on. This is a big GR. The Bread Toes was a kind of GR that actually has some resale value, but I think it's because it just looks so nice. These are a little different. I know a lot of people are buying these for fragment customs. I actually think these are gonna be really big hitters in a year or two. I think a lot of people who slept on this just didn't want to buy it because it had no resale value. And when they start to dry up, everybody starts to wear their pairs, and they start to get thrown away, they get ruined or customized and they're messed up, then you're gonna see a lot of people kind of circling back to this and really trying to hunt these down. And I think that's where you're gonna see that price just skyrocket. So I would say if you can get them now, get them, hold on to them for a year or two, and I can guarantee you they're going to be some neck breakers, as we used to say back in the early 2000s. But I want to show you guys how these look on feet, so let's just jump into that.
Pair of slides on my feet, so I slid up to you, and this was all in my dreams. I only give you the truth, everything is feeling good. I see the wind beneath your wings, your jewelry, them golden rings. The future bright with finer things, yeah, and I know, yeah. You gotta stay focused, you thinking it's hopeless. Waking up now.
And that's it for the video, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you again for your time. I have another video dropping in the next couple of days, so thank you again to all the fan followers and supporters who have been rocking with me. If you like the content, go ahead and like the video. If you like me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right over there also. But until next time, guys, peace.
They don't want you to make it, I just wanna see you smile. I ain't trying to see you hurt, I ain't wanna bring you down. I've been searching, I feel lost in,
Without even seeing you, and yesterday I see it through. I'm done with